How to create a Bigo live account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can basically create a Bigo live account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to create a Bigo live account, open up the Bigo app, or from your browser you can go to bigo.tv. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Click the login option from the top right hand side of the screen. Now if you have an account, login, or you can just select the sign up option that you can find here. Of course, the first thing you want to do is simply make sure to enter your country or region, and then also make sure to basically enter your phone number that you would like to use over here. Once you enter the phone number, make sure to basically create a password. So I will also go ahead and do that. And after that, it will ask us send a verification code. So first of all, I'll just click on send verification code. So once you click the send verification code option, it will send a verification code to this phone number. So just wait until you basically receive the verification code on your phone. Once you receive the verification code, click the sign up option, and then your account will get successfully registered on Bigo TV. This way you'll be able to create a Bigo account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.